In this video, I'm going to teach you a new function based on which you can calculate the count as well as sum based on the fill color of the cell. The first thing we need to do, I will just go to name manager, click on new, type a name here, let's say color, remove the formula and write a new formula here. Lambda, open parenthesis, x, type Get.Cell Function, open parenthesis, type 38, hit comma, x, close parenthesis for Get.Cell Function, close parenthesis for lambda function, hit OK, close this name manager window. Now if I type here equal, color, open parenthesis and simply select this cell, hit enter, this will return the index of red fill color. If I drag this formula down, this will return the index of green fill color. Now I will remove these two functions and I will simply write equal map. Map is a new function in Excel which loop one by one cell in a given array. In this case, I will assign the full grid as the array, hit comma, and I will simply type color, close parenthesis, hit enter. Now this will return the index of fill color for selected grid. If I click on the active cell formula and I simply type equal color, open parenthesis, and I assign the red fill color cell, close parenthesis, hit enter, this will return true whenever we have red fill color and false whenever we have any other fill color. For example, you can see on fourth position we have the red fill color. The next thing, I will click on active cell formula and I will log the reference. And now I will type after equal sign, open parenthesis, close parenthesis at the very end, and now I will simply type double dash, hit enter. Now this will return 1 whenever we have the true result and 0 whenever we have the false result. The next thing, I will simply click on the active cell formula again and I will type here sum, open parenthesis, close parenthesis, hit enter, and this will calculate the count of red fill color. If I drag this formula down, this will calculate the count of green fill color in a selected array. Now I will type formula for sum function. If I type here equal, I will define the same formula map, open parenthesis, select the grid, hit F4 key to log the reference, type color equal to color index, assign the fill color of the cell, close parenthesis, and after equal sign I will simply type open parenthesis and type close parenthesis at the very end, simply type static and select the whole array again, hit F4 key to log the reference and simply hit enter. Now you can see whenever we have the red fill color, it returns those values 53, 60, 72 and same for all other value. The next thing, I will simply click here and I will apply sum function here, open parenthesis, close parenthesis at the very end, hit enter, and this will calculate the sum based on red fill color. If I drag this formula down, this will calculate the sum of cell which has green fill color. Of course, we can use this formula for single column as well. For example, I want to calculate the sum of all cell which has green fill color. The first thing, I will click here and simply type equal map, open parenthesis, select the entire column, hit F4 key 2 times since we want to log the rows reference, comma, simply write color, close parenthesis, equal, color, open parenthesis, assign the cell which has a fill color. In this case, we have B25. I will hit F4 key one time. This is absolute reference. One more time. This is row reference. One more time. And this is column reference. Close parenthesis. Simply type open parenthesis after equal sign. Close parenthesis at the very end. Type static, select the entire column again, hit F4 key 2 times, and now type sum function on the very beginning, close parenthesis, hit enter, and this will calculate the sum of all cell which has green fill color. If I drag this formula down, this will calculate the sum of all cell which has red fill color. If I select both cell and simply drag to the right, this is how we can calculate the sum of individual column based on their fill color. Now, one of the problems we are facing in this function, this is not auto updating whenever we edit our sheet. For example, I click here and I assign the fill color as a red fill color. You can see my result are still the same. If I even double click here, my result are not going to change. So in my last video, I show you what is the advantages of Randbetween 1 function. If I just write here static and I just multiply with Randbetween 1 close parenthesis, hit enter, and I just drag this function, and also I will write here Randbetween 1 as well, close parenthesis, hit enter, and I will drag this formula down. Now if I go here and for example I change the fill color of the cell and I just double click on the sheet, you can see my result automatically update, while these results are still not going to update. For example, if I change the fill color of 76 to let's say green, you can see my results are not going to change. Even if I click here and I just update my sheet by inputting any number, those numbers automatically update, but these results are still static. I hope you liked this video and learned something useful. If you like the video, please subscribe my channel for more video, and if you have time, please share this video as well. Thank you so much.